Understanding header files. We need to declare all functions in C language before you can use them, because it would be helpful to group related function declarations and manage them in a single place. This is the function of header files. Header files are vital in large projects because they give you an overview of source code without having to look through every line of code. Let's take a look at the sample image. The header files are the collection of predefined functions necessary for the operation of a program if it is in a section written by the user of code or as an element of the standard libraries of C language by convention. The names of the header files finish with .h. The suffix of .h is used in the header files which are equipped with the operating system. We can also make our own header files if we need. We will discuss this later. The header files define the following functions: structures of certain files and subroutines, type the synonyms of definition, type def for data types, system parameters or implementation characteristics, constants and macros which are substituted during the phase of pretreatment of C language. Some of the header files are enumerated here. String.h. This file contains the functions which are related to string manipulations. alloc.h. It has the functions which are related with memory allocation. Time.h. This header file consists of time-related functions. conio.h. The conio.h has a console or monitor input-output functions. ctype.h. It includes the functions which are related to conversion. stdlib.h. It has standard library functions and also memory allocation. graphics.h. It has many built-in functions that support graphics. dos.h. It finds many functions that are related to date and delay, which is used to set interval. process.h. It contains system supporting functions. tip. Several of the header files provided with the operating system and with .inc include file. Additional header files are provided with the operating system. Most of these can be found in either the usr include directory or the usr include sys directory.